welcome back to my channel, Glow with Candace. So I apologize if you hear panting or little noises in the background. My Siberian Husky Eska has decided to hang out with me right now. She's literally laying down below me. Here, I'll show you what she looks like. Come here, baby. Oh. This is my Siberian Husky Eska. I love her dearly. She is Eska. She loves to lick my makeup off. I hate it, but I love her kisses. Right now she's just sitting on my lap. Eskers, what are you doing? Good girl, this is my Husky Eska. She is about 1.5 years now. And I got her from my mom. My mom raises Huskies. Right now, Eska's curious about what I'm doing. She wants to be involved. So if you hear panting in the background, or if you hear any little noises, that's just Eska. She wants to hang out, so she loves her mama. For today's episode, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the April 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I got this a little bit sooner this time just because of everything that's going on with the COVID-19. They started taking add-on orders earlier, and also I got to pick my one product earlier as well. So they wanted to get everything out to everyone, especially with what's going on. People are stuck at home in quarantine. Today is my one day off, well, beside the weekend, where I don't have to wear my face mask. I work in healthcare, so I constantly am wearing a face mask and a face shield because I'm up close and personal with patients all day long. So today is a nice break because I'm wearing makeup for the first time in a while. Because when I'm wearing a face mask, I feel like it's pointless because it just comes off and it's on my face mask, and it's a waste of product in my opinion. So I just have been lazy not wearing makeup to work. So today I did my makeup, I did my hair, I feel good, I don't have a face mask on, I can breathe in my own home, so super happy about that. Now let's unbox this IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This month's bag is really cute and it's a different shape. So it's more circular. And it has these cute little flowers, and it's kind of a minty green, I would call it. Like a minty green teal color. Yeah, more minty green, I would say. Very spring-like. And then, oh, that's cute. It's like wooden bamboo type IPSY there. It's really cute. For the zipper, and then you open it up. So this is pretty good size. Doesn't want to shut though. Let's see. Really struggling with the zipper. Oh man, I did. Okay, well I don't need to zip it up right now, I guess. Because I can't. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. I got it, guys. Okay, so nice. Okay. One thing I did get is a mascara from Ciate London. So it is the triple shot XXL mascara in XXL black. On days and nights when you want your lashes to look larger than life, this jet black mascara will be your new BFF. A few coats of the innovative fiber formula give even the tiniest lashes extreme volume, definition, and length without annoying crumbs or flakes. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always looking to find a better mascara. I try so many mascaras. In fact, I've been buying a lot on sale just to try different ones, high-end and drugstore. And I actually have a bunch. If you'd like to see a video about that, please comment down below, because I've been thinking about doing a video on just mascaras that I've bought, if they work, if they don't work, what they've been doing for me, because that's one thing that I am trying to find is the perfect mascara. So comment down below if you want me to do a video on that. I can add this one to the mix as soon as I test it out and actually give it the test, because I want to give it a full few days of wear to actually see if the product works and what it does. I know one thing with mascaras I struggle with is it falls underneath my eyes and it gives me like that kunai effect, you know, like a dark circle or whatnot. And that's partly because I have oily skin, and then sometimes it's just the mascara product as well. You'll need more than just water to take this stuff off at the end of the day. Soak a cotton around in an oil-based makeup remover and gently sweep it across your lids until they're clean. I will say, since I have my makeup eraser now, mascara comes off a lot easier with that thing. So I also have some normal makeup remover that is oil-based that I will try with that as well, and I can let you guys know how that works. The packaging, really cute. I'm not a huge fan of this brand. They've sent me things in their IPSY, in my IPSY bag before that I'm just kind of like, I don't know. This is the packaging, really slick. I like the gold rose with it, triple shot, double XL. The brush looks like so. So it doesn't have a curve, it's just a flat brush, which I actually like brushes like that, because then I feel like I don't get it all over the place when I'm applying it. The next product I have, I actually picked, and once again, it's a blush and highlighter palette. These are some of my favorite things, guys. It's by Shania B Cosmetics Mini Miami Blush and Highlight Palette. So this is the outer packaging. I love the flamingos on black, guys. This is adorable. And Miami, it goes with the theme for sure. The 4 colors, so we got the highlighter here, blush, blush, and more blush. Honestly, I love these colors. To me, it kind of reminds me of that palette I got last month from The Balm, but I picked it just because I love blush and I love highlighter, and you can never have enough of those. Oh my gosh. That's really pretty. I almost feel like, actually, you know what? I think these two are both highlighters and these are 2 blushes, because now that I look at this more closely, that's what it looks like to me. So we have Sugar Bomb, Guava Glow, what is this one? Brickle and Rosa. Here are the swatches of the Miami Highlight and Blush Palette. To be honest, I'm a little disappointed. The only one that swatched good was this more of like this gold highlighter that swatched really nicely and beautifully, and I absolutely love that color. However, the rest of them I really had to dip my finger in there a couple times to get color pigmentation. It could just be because it is, you know, a brand new palette and I need to work with it a little bit, but so far the only one that I felt like swatched well was this. I love the colors though, very pretty. The highlighter is super pretty. So it looks like there are 2 highlighters, a pinky tone and a goldy tone, and then the 2 blushes here. So the blushes are very pretty. I love this gold highlighter, and the pink is really pretty too, nice and reflective. Next product I have is a like hand cream, I think it is. So it's called the Celia Cream Rose. The very best cream rose. Treat your body to intense moisture and your nose to a pretty floral scent with this body cream. The magic combo, Kuapa butter and Abyssinian oil to soften and smooth roughness, plus notes of sweet jasmine, peach, rose water that linger on the skin throughout the day. So since I do work in healthcare and everything that's going on with COVID-19, I've been washing my hands double time, and I've been struggling with dry hands, and I've actually have been buying all kinds of products to help with my hands. Of course, I've always washed my hands with healthcare, but with what is going on, I've been washing my hands even more so. And so that is another video I've been thinking about doing, because I found hand creams that do and don't work. So let me down below if you'd like to see a video on that. I would love to do one if you guys are interested. So with that being said, I haven't been using hand creams that are scented right now, because if anything, it's making my hands drier, and that's because there's fragrance in them. So the ones I've been using don't have scents. But once I can do that again, I would love to use some creams that have scents. And the plastic's on, I can't smell immediately. Hold one moment while I take the plastic off. All right, the plastic is off. It smells really nice. This is the consistency of it. Let's see here. I don't necessarily smell the peach. But I smell the jasmine and it smells really nice. It's really lightweight and more water-based in my opinion. And it smells really good. I just put it on my arm. It sounds like it's more of a body cream and not just a hand cream. So with that being said, if it is on my body where I'm not washing my hands constantly, I'll probably put it on my body, but not on my hands. Just because, like I said, the fragrances right now are just drying out my hands more. So I'm trying to avoid that when it comes to hand creams. But I guess this isn't just a hand cream, it's a body cream. So it goes anywhere. I could see putting it on my arms, maybe my legs. It does smell really nice and the packaging is super cute with the marbling, I will say. I've never heard of this brand. On the back it says, from seed to skin, deliciously aromatic with notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water and enriched with Canadian botanicals, guava butter, obsidian oil. This velvety body cream hydrates and softens skin. So I love the packaging, really cute, but it almost feels kind of cheap too. I know that's horrible to say. It says this one retails at $39, but at the same time, I feel like the packaging is a little bit cheap, but I don't know. It's not necessarily the color, but it's almost how the packaging feels. It doesn't feel sturdy. Does that make sense? Makes sense to me. But I do love the marbling color. That is really pretty. We have 2 more products left. The next product we're gonna be talking about is the Tarte Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in Black. So Tarte is a high-end product, so that's really neat that I know I get something like this. So this is the outer packaging. I've used Tarte eyeliner and I'm not a huge fan of it, but hey, when I get it in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, I can try it out, see if I like it, and if I do, I can buy it again. This is a double-ended eyeliner. It is gel on one side and then it's liquid on the other side. So use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes or flip it to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. So I don't really like liquid eyeliner. I actually like pencil or gel-like eyeliner instead, just because to me it's easier to apply and I just don't like liquid eyeliner. But I like how this is dual, so I can play around with the liquid, see if I like it. So this is the pencil side. And then here we have the liquid eyeliner. So I do like how it's double-ended, so I can play around with this, and you know, if I don't end up using the liquid eyeliner side, which I know I won't, I can use the pencil side, so that's pretty neat. Also, if you are a person who likes both liquid and also pencil, this is maybe a product for you. You get 2 in 1, and that's pretty neat, especially if you do like to do the winged. It could be a really nice product to use for that. So this retails for $24, which I would totally believe. One more product in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, guys. Are you ready? The last product is a Galactic Beauty Jello Gloss Balm. Okay, so this is the outer packaging here. So forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. The jelly balm is anything but basic. It's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need, plus an extra glossy look to gorge on everyone. So this is the outer packaging. I love this pink color. Reminds me of spring. Okay. It does look gel. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it actually does look like Jell-O. I'm not lying. That's cool. So it says, since the formula is super soft, we recommend only twisting the lip balm up once or twice. Oops, I did it like 5 times before I read that. Oh good, I can bring it back down. Okay, good. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like because it does kind of look like Jell-O. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on my lips and see. Whoa, that like melts on your skin and it. Okay, so definitely don't bring it up too much because look how much, I don't know. Look, I just barely put it on my skin and there's like nothing left. So it really does melt away, so be advised. It smells good. It actually smells kind of like Jell-O. Maybe it's really made out of Jell-O. It kind of smells like Jell-O. Like a fruity Jell-O. I wouldn't say it feels like Jell-O because it just kind of melts on your lips though. So I'll let you know, it feels moisturizing, but you know, you don't know until you've worn it a little bit because I've worn moisturizing lip balm and then it actually didn't moisturize me. It made my lips drier. So I'll let you know if this works out. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of my April 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. If you enjoyed what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around for future videos, hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to see you back here. But until next time,